TGIF, welcome to the Beamish Blogcast. It's March 6th, 2015. We're keeping our eyes on a developing storyline heading into 2015. El Nino finally present in the Eastern Pacific. This means warmer than normal waters off of the West Coast and Baja California coast. And El Nino may hold serve into the summer. If this comes to fruition, we may be looking at a drier than normal monsoon. Climatology tells us here in Tucson that monsoon rainfall 17% drier with a summer El Nino event. However, take this with a grain of salt because last summer we had an El Nino and we still saw well above average rainfall for most of southern Arizona, fueled by what was a very stormy September. How about the near term? Tracking a couple of weather features. Low pressure sitting just off the Baja coast. High pressure to the north of that. And that area of high pressure is going to drive daytime highs back in the 80s as you head back to work next week. What about this area of low pressure? Going to crank up the winds 30 miles per hour, but we're going to see these winds really dial down late this afternoon, 10 to 15 miles per hour coming out of the east. And tomorrow, winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Winds much lighter this weekend than what we'll see through the early afternoon hours on your Friday. This low will pass to our south, and it may trigger a stray shower into the higher elevations, Mount Lemmon, Mount Graham, and the White Mountains on Saturday. Valley floors high and dry not only tomorrow, but over the next 7 days and likely beyond. 75 this afternoon, waking up to the 40s tomorrow morning. We flirt with the 80s this weekend, and then the 80s return by Monday of next week with a peak of the warmth on Wednesday. Daytime highs next week running roughly 10 degrees above average for early March. Thanks for logging on. Have a great weekend. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.